Are you one of those people who drops $200, $250 on a budget phone, only to have it start lagging and crying for help just 6 months later? If that sounds like your daily nightmare, get ready, because that struggle is about to become history. On June 29, 2026, Samsung is dropping a device that is set to absolutely wreck the budget smartphone market. Meet the Samsung Galaxy M47 5G. Trust me, the specs on this thing are so insane, they'll have you double-checking the price tag. Let's break down this beast. The display. First up, the screen. We're talking about a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. If you're prone to dropping your phone, this screen is practically indestructible. With a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe feels like it belongs on a $1,000 flagship. Plus, with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you'll be able to see your content clearly even under the harshest, direct sunlight. Camera setup. Samsung didn't hold back here. You're getting a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel no-shake OIS primary sensor. Whether you're filming on the move or snapping shots in pitch-black conditions, your footage will be so stable and sharp, people will ask which DSLR you used. For the creators out there, it supports 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras. And with the new AI night vision mode, even your low-light photos will look professional grade. The inclusion of a dedicated ultra-wide lens also ensures that you capture every single detail of your epic landscapes and group shots without having to step back. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, built on a power-efficient 4nm process. But here is the real kicker: bypass charging. You can game for hours while plugged in, and the power goes straight to the motherboard instead of the battery, meaning zero overheating and no battery strain. Combined with LPDDR5X RAM, your apps will launch with lightning speed, and the dedicated Game Boost mode cranks up your CPU performance by another 20%. It's a multitasking dream that never stutters, even with a dozen apps running in the background. Software. This phone is launching straight out of the gate with Android 16. But the best part, Samsung is promising 6 years of major OS updates. That means the phone you buy today will remain secure and up to date until 2032. You're also getting Samsung's legendary Knox security, keeping your sensitive data locked down tight against modern digital threats. You are literally future-proofing your digital life for a fraction of the cost of a premium handset. Battery life. To keep the beast running, there's a massive 6000 mAh battery that easily lasts 2 full days of heavy use. And when you do run low, the 45-watt fast charging will have you back in the game in no time. It's the perfect companion for road trips, long workdays, or intense gaming sessions. Pricing and availability. Samsung is pricing this absolute monster between $230 and $250. Honestly, this is a masterclass in value. No other company is offering this level of longevity, security, and raw power at this price point. It's a total game changer. Mark your calendars for June 29th. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement. Are you planning on joining the storm? Type M47 in the comments and let me know if this is going to be your next daily driver.